Okay, today we will see about the soil mechanics subject. Okay, soil mechanics, another name is geotechnical. So, geotechnical soil mechanics foundation, what are the difference I am going to tell. So, this is the basic why we are studying the soil mechanics. Okay, why we are studying the geotechnical. If you want to design any structure, whatever it is, residential building, commercial building, or bridges, okay, whatever it is, you have to test the soil. Without soil testing we can construct any buildings or any other structure. So for that reason we have to study the basic characteristics of soil. So different state, different soil variation will be there. Okay, for it is, if it is clay soil, what will happen? If it is clay soil means what will happen means, so you are building, if you are going to construct, what will happen, it will for few more years, for example 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years, so it will be crack will be formed in that structure. So before that you have to check the land area, so whether it is clay soil. If it is black cotton soil is very better for constructing the building. If you go for the clay soil means, it will be definitely, it will be crack. Okay, so for that clay soil what we have to do means, we have to do pile foundation. Okay, these are all deeply we are studying, but basic introduction I am going to why we are studying the geotechnical uh, soil mechanics foundation. All are same only, but difference is geotechnical is completely overall structure of the applications. Okay, um, geotechnical engineer deals with the application of civil engineering and technology to some aspect of earth. So geology, for example geology, fluid mechanics, these are all mingled with the geotechnical. Okay, earth structure. Geotechnical commissions with the state railway 1940 and 1922 was first to use the word geotechnical in the sense that we know in today, in combination of civil engineering, technology, and geology. Geology is the base. So geology, what we are going to study in geology, fully study about the earth structure and mantle, what are the rock type of material, how to identify the rock material, whether it is clay or shale. Okay, so like that we can study in the geology, complete earth structure. Next, geotechnical engineering deals with the design of foundation and stability of slope cut, design of earth structure, and design of roads and airfield, etc. Okay, these are all we are studying in the basic. So for if you want to design any foundation, so for that you have to check the soil. So if you want to construct retaining wall, so that is the design of foundation structure. So we are studying separate subject for foundation. Okay, so soil mechanics. So what is mean by soil mechanics? Okay, soil mechanics is defined as the branch of engineering science with enable engineering. So these soil mechanics, we are studying the basic characters. If you are giving the load and static load or gravitational force or water and temperature, how it will be acting in this soil properties, that we are going to study in this soil mechanics. According to Carl Terzaghi is the scientist here, the find out in the soil mechanics, engineering problem, how to deal the problems, and how to check the solid particles, how it is disintegration of rocks. Okay, how it is transport. Okay, so these are all the steps we are going to study in the geotechnical engineering. Okay, geotechnical soil mechanics foundation. Geotechnical is the complete structure of the application of the civil engineering. Okay, complete application of civil engineering technology for earth structure. Okay, that is the geotechnical. So soil mechanics is for each basic property we have to going to study in the soil mechanics. Foundation is the design part. Foundation is completely design part. If you want to design any retaining wall or any structure, so that is the designing part we are going to study in the foundation engineering. For example, earth pressure, retaining for external load. Okay, SBC, safe bearing capacity of the soil, that we can study in the foundation engineering. Okay, in this soil mechanics, only basic character. If you want to, for example, basic characters means what, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, we have to test the coarse aggregate, fine aggregate. Okay, So why we are testing the coarse aggregate, fine aggregate? Whether it is coarse, fine is better mean, then only you can construct a building. Okay, whether the soil is proper condition, then only you can make the building. So for that reason only we are studying the basic characteristics of soil mechanics, basic properties. Okay, so in this subject we are mingling the geotechnical and geology and fluid mechanics. It will be why we are adding the geology and fluid mechanics means, for example, in that soil sample I am adding the water. Without adding water, how it will be making to find out in the report of the particular soil. Okay, what will be reaction going on the soil? So for that reason we have to add how it is water movement will be there in that soil. That you have to know. Okay, the why we are mingled with the geology. So geology means completely earth structure. The earth structure in our earth, what type of rock, how it is transportation, how it is disintegration, how we are making the aggregate. So that we are find out in the geotechnical engineering. Okay. So next see. So soil mechanics is defined as a branch of civil engineering science enabled. So in this basic we are giving the load characteristics and gravitational force, water, temperature. Just now I said now how to add the water. If you are adding the water, what will happen? So these are all the techniques Carl Tersagi they are find out in this soil mechanics subject. Okay, these are all the historical perspective of soil mechanics and geotechnical engineering. So record first use of soil construction material, mankind lost antiquity. See, in true engineer sense, there is no geotechnical engineering. 18th century, one of the most famous example problem related to soil bearing capacity of foundation in construction of structure prior to 18th century Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. The construction of the tower began 1173 AD and last over 200 years. So 200 years back. Okay. So 200 years back they are testing in this soil. Okay. And why some example I am showing for this one. If you are not checking the soil, what will happen? See here. So soil mechanics is the branch of science study the physical properties, soil behavior and subject to various types of force. That means if you are adding the physical, if you are checking the physical character, if you are adding the force, so what will happen due to given the force, how it will be happen. Okay, civil engineer must study the properties of soil such as origin of grain, size, distribution, ability, and to drain water, compressibility, shear strength, and load bearing capacity. Okay, without studying this, we can't construct any structure. Okay, so you have to know the grain size. For example, if you are on RCC structure is there, RCC structure I can't construct the 40 mm size of aggregate. Okay, so 40 mm size, so why we are separating the 20 mm, 40 mm? So for that reason we have to study the basic characters. So we are separating the grain size. So for that aggregate we are using the different laboratory tests. What are the tests we are going to study? Flakiness is there, elongation is there, shape test is there. So shape test is the flakiness and elongation and vibration, impact test, attrition test, water absorption test. So many tests is there for aggregate. Same as well as cement, so same as well as soil also there. Okay, same as well as soil also there. So these are all the soil mechanics and geotechnical civil engineering. These are all combined is the civil engineering we are studying. Geotechnical engineering sub-discipline of civil engineering involve the application of principle of soil mechanics and rock mechanics to design the foundation, retaining structure and earth structure. So just now I said that the history they said before the slide. So see this Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy, morning 1st March 2004, southwest view, height is 54 meter, maximum till 5 meter out of plumb, tilt direction east, northwest, south, weight 15,700 tons, base is equal 20 meter. Reason, why it is reason, we have to, why it is fall down like this means, not fall down, it is slides, it is one side. So what is the reason? It is a weak clay layer at 11 meter depth. So solution, what is the solution means? excavation of soil from north side for about 70 tons. Okay, this is the solution. So these are all the scientists, they are finding different mechanics, modern soil mechanics of earth structure. Okay, Karl Terzaghi 1883-1963 has often been called the father of soil mechanics. Academically, he earned undergraduate degree mechanical engineers. So these are all the scientists, they are studying in the different university. Okay, so these are all known. So why we study the soil mechanics? Usually every structure supported by soil rock, those who are either fly or float or fall over. Various reasons to study the properties of soil. Foundation to support the structure embankment, construction material, slopes, landslide, earth retaining structures, special problem. So for that reason only we are studying the soil mechanics. Okay. So why we next various reason to study the foundation, support structure, embankment, effect of static loading on soil mass. What will happen? Shear failure of the foundation of soil, settlement of the structure, instability of criteria of solution. There should be no shear failure of the foundation soil. The settlement should be remain within permissible limit. Okay, free soil, spread footing, soft soil, pile foundation. So vertical member transferring load structure to the ground rock, pile foundation. Okay, these are all the various types of loading. These are all the reason. For that reason only we are studying the soil mechanics. Shear failure should not occur in that soil. Okay, even we are actually we are studying in SOM shear failure. What are the failures we are studying in this SOM? But same as well as in this soil mechanics also there. Okay, shear failure is there. Shear strength we have to find out. Shear strength. So another reason, effect of dynamic loading, soil mass for design of construction road. So compaction character, moisture variation. So if you are going to construct any road or buildings or whatever it is, so what is the compaction situation and the moisture variation? What is the variation of the moisture in soil condition? Okay, that for that reason only we have to study the soil mechanics. Okay, so these are the technical basics. I'm going mostly I covered in this soil mechanics subject. So main reason, as a geotechnical consultant, if you are applying any geotechnical consultant, okay, so we have to know the soil property. We only have to give the report. They will give the sample of the soil. We have to testing the in our laboratory, soil mechanics laboratory. So and then you can give the report. Okay, so based on that report only they have to construct the structure. So that's why reason even road, whatever it is, road work, building work, main building work, residential building, commercial building, whatever it is, we are doing compaction. So if you are doing the compaction, if you are adding the water, how much voids present? So how much voids emitting? Okay, that we have to tell in our report. So completely we can basic. So base is our subject soil mechanics. So the first subject is soil mechanics. Without soil, we can't study another subject also. SOM, whatever it is, structural analysis. Base soil only. After that, you can construct RCC structure, whatever bridge, whatever it is. So completely. Even if you see the GATE exam or any IES exam, they are asking more questions from soil mechanics. So what is the reason? Means this is a basic subject, base of our civil engineering people. So try to learn this subject. So if you are understanding the subject, then only you can go for a next step. Okay. So study the basic character. What are the test is there? What are the soil capacity? So this thing, if you know, you can construct any type of structure in our India. Okay. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and like that video. Okay, thank you all.